In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Facebook ads in Naira. Navigating the vast world of Facebook advertising can seem daunting at first, especially when you're trying to manage your advertising budget in a currency specific to your region, like Naira. Today, I'll guide you through the process of setting up your payment in Naira for your Facebook ads, making sure you're equipped to launch your marketing campaigns with ease. The first step towards achieving this is by heading over to the Facebook Business Manager. This platform is the control center for all your Facebook marketing and advertising activities. It's where you'll manage your ads, pages, and the people who work on them. Simply go to your web browser and type in the URL for the Facebook Business Manager to get started. Once you're there, you'll notice a Login with Facebook option. Click on this to proceed. This step requires you to log in using your existing Facebook credentials. It's crucial that you choose the account associated with your business, as this is where you'll be managing your advertisements from. After successfully logging in, navigate your way to the lower left panel of the screen. Here you'll find the Ads section. Clicking on this will take you closer to where you can manage your payments. The next click should be on Ads Manager, which is essentially the hub for managing your Facebook ads. It gives you a comprehensive overview of your ongoing campaigns, performance metrics, and importantly, your billing and payment settings. From the Ads Manager, you'll need to locate the Billing and Payments section. This is where all your transactional information is stored. Typically, you can find this by scrolling or by looking for a link similar to the Billing and Payments one provided in our visual aids. It's here you'll see an overview of your spending, invoices, and current payment methods. Once in the Billing and Payments section, look for the Payment Methods link. This will take you to a page where you can view and manage how you pay for your ads. You're almost there. It's time now to add a new payment method. You'll see an option titled Add Payment Method. Clicking on this will open up a variety of payment options, but it's important to note that the available methods will vary depending on your location. This is where you'll choose the option that allows you to pay in Naira. It's essential to keep in mind that the available payment methods do indeed vary by location, and not all options will be accessible to everyone. Typically, for users in Nigeria, paying in Naira is facilitated through several methodologies, including but not limited to direct debit, credit cards, and some local payment methods. You'll need to select the one that best suits your circumstances and follow the prompts to finalize adding your new payment method. This step is crucial for ensuring your Facebook advertising can continue without hiccups, and it allows you to align your social media marketing expenses with your local budgeting and financial planning. Completing this setup doesn't just mean you're able to pay for your Facebook ads in Naira. It's a gateway to exploring a world of targeted marketing, allowing you to reach specific audiences with precision and efficiency. As we wrap up, remember the key to successful Facebook advertising lies not just in setting up your payment methods, but in continuously optimizing your ads for your target audience, experimenting with different content, and closely monitoring your campaign performance. Setting up your payment method in Naira is just the beginning of your advertising journey on Facebook. I hope this guide has simplified the process of paying for your Facebook ads in Naira and encouraged you to dive deeper into leveraging Facebook as a powerful tool for your digital marketing efforts. Remember, the digital world is ever evolving, and staying updated on the latest trends and tools will help you maximize your marketing impact. Thank you for joining me today. Feel free to leave your comments, questions, or any insights you might have about your experience with Facebook ads. Happy advertising and see you next time.